guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with Kelsey and Eric.
Today we're going to be making some slime. We exactly have even amounts, so I'm going to start with some contact solution.
No, you don't do that first.
Well, you're taking that. Sorry. Yeah, we don't have measuring cups, so if the skull goes wrong, that's why.
Okay, add yours in. Just gonna... I wanted to make fluffy though, but
you can.
I don't care anymore. We haven't done like a real kind of slime like this in a while.
Yeah.
Oh. What?
I got it on my face. I closed it and it splattered. That did nothing. It's still milk.
Can't say.
I think I added a little too less.
And I don't know what's happening to this, but...
It's starting to chunk. That means it's starting to form. Oh yeah, so Eric's mom calls us slime masters.
Yes.
Sorry.
And I call her sister. She calls me brother.
Yeah. And we call each other's mom. Well, I call his mom. He doesn't call mine yet.
I'm going to. Whenever we're over your house again.
We're mostly over your house because you have like the nice house. Well, we both have nice houses, but your house we actually have a fort here, and we're not allowed in the basement at my house anymore because it has to stay spotless. And if we make a fort, then we have to clean it up right after.
Dang it, that sucks.
Because my dad now is doing courses, but at least it gives us $300.
Wait, well, oh.
My dad does training courses.
Why didn't you tell me that? Oh, yeah, you did.
Well, we can make it in our area, which will be on hard ground.
I know, but what about sleepovers? Like, that's the thing.
Oh, yeah. Me and my friend Cassidy slept in the living room last night. Because me, my brother, and my sister...
in your room?
We didn't want to, because there was really nothing... We didn't have a TV in my bedroom.
But do you think you would be able to sleep over here tonight?
Maybe.
Hopefully. We could make like a
Wait,
giant...
so your mama pretty much already said yes.
Yeah, she is. And before you came over, she said yeah to sleepovers.
Okay.
So basically...
That did not happen, y'all.
Kelsey, oh, that was... Okay.
So close.
It could have been a lot.
It was like a pinch.
Just a pinch.
Okay.
This is actually pretty good. Like, I would recommend Fluffy more, but...
Like, I like both.
Yeah, Fluffy just is better in some ways.
I'm going to mix in with one hand, so I have enough one hand to put an activator if I need more.
Yeah.
So you dug in with both, kind of.
Kind of. My mom was just there. She was like... that was the face. Mine's really sticky. I need more activator.
Me too, after you.
Wait, girls go first. Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, you couldn't have opened it for the girl? Jeez.
Sorry.
You're like, sorry. You're talking like a girl now.
Sorry.
Guys, do you hear it? Okay, you can take it now. Wait, never mind. I need it. I'm just kidding.
Eric learned his lesson from the car ride.
Yep.
Always let girls go first till they get mad.
Yep.
They're going to be like, why didn't you let me go first? Ow!
Ow, why did you hit me? Because you didn't let me go first. Mine is bad. Because we didn't have measuring spoons.
I watched this one James Charles video, but he said he's going to be lonely forever. He said, I don't know why. I was about to tell him why, but... Because it's easy to know why. He doesn't know why, because he's a girl.
You're so mean.
Sorry.
He's just a guy that loves to do makeup. That doesn't mean he's a girl. Here,
excuse me.
Here, use your magic touch, Eric. I'm going to play with yours.
Okay.
And use my non-magic touch to make it worse.
Ew, what did you do to it?
I told you, because we don't have measuring spoons. It's bad.
You added too much baking soda.
No, I didn't.
I wonder who that is.
Hey, Tommy.
She's cheating.
I know, right? I love Sunday. Sunday fun day.
Yours
right?
could use a lot of work. And it's so cold, I barely even want to touch it. Here, how about you put it near the heater? That's a technique. I use it on all my slimes to speed up the process.
Just go get lotion.
That makes it stringy.
No, it makes it better.
Stringy.
Here. Eric, here, play with yours.
Keep it there for a moment. Hi.
I thought you said there's no lotion in the
We
house.
just got some.
Yeah, that stuff is amazing.
You know, just try not to think about it, truthfully.
Oh, she's
Like-
about to mess up her slime.
No, I'm not. I know how to. I'm a slime make. I'm like awesome at making slimes better. Unless they're like not even able to stretch, then like you're done.
Yeah, guys, if your slime, like if you activate it enough, like the perfect amount with measuring, and it doesn't like come out to be slime, you just need to add more activator.
It comes out to be like liquid. We should just use up the rest of the bottle because you know you have $90 to get more if you want to. Or else
Here, let's make
or else we
one,
have to go to the Dollar Tree.
let's make one big slime for both of us.
Okay.
But I'm getting a bigger bowl. That
Okay.
way it doesn't turn out to be a big mess like her.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna use the rest of this and make a big slime.
Okay, put it in. Okay, actually, I'll dump it in. I'll dump it in.
Guys, the bowl is so big. Here, you can hold the camera
Okay.
over it like this. The camera onto it.
So,
Squeeze it like crazy.
think of when we're supposed to be
Like-
done. They did just send me a
That
email confirmation thing.
sounds creepy. Why?
About that, so like they know
Did you switch up slimes?
we can get that rate.
Kelsey, this one's cold.
They're giving us
Yeah,
the
all
best rate,
slimes are
so,
Not mine. Let me feel that one.
uh-huh.
Let me feel it.
It's gonna get warm.
Let me
right?
feel it.
I mean,
Let me feel it.
Yeah.
it's like
Brian gave me a, we like
What are you trying to warm it?
and we were always putting our
Let me feel.
and I guess
Let me feel.
that Brian actually got us
Okay, I'll go over there.
for the place. Yeah. So
No, let me. Let me feel it. You switched it out. I know you did. You only put it on my hand and took it off. Kelsey, let me feel it. This is not my slime.
Ken, you hold the bottle.
Then how am I gonna hold both, huh? This is my slime.
No, it's not.
I would smell lotion. This one smells like lotion.
Brian's outside trimming
This
bushes
one smells like
this morning
lotion
too.
also.
No, it doesn't.
Or do I get a hand in there?
Kelsey, Kelsey, give me my slime back. I know you're lying. Give me my slime back.
Yeah,
Come on.
where's that taking place?
Sorry if the camera's a bit shaky, guys, but
Ball field or what?
Eric,
Oh my.
no, you took my slime.
BTAA might
Yes,
not
you
like
did.
that.
This doesn't even feel like my slime. It's cold like yours was.
That sounds fun.
No, I need mine.
Yeah, well, we
Here,
got
let me
one.
actually
We have to
feel
buy
it.
one. I don't think we're going to be participating in it. So,
Eric, stop.
Kelsey, you know you took it.
we'll be staying in.
She knows she took it. She has that smile that she took it. She knows she took it. That's why she's lying. Kelsey took my slime. I never said no soup. I never said no soup.
It's a big one. It's not like it's,
Guys.
it's got, I think there's 2 sides to it. Like you can have a spot where you just, I don't know, for us we just used it all for our beds, for the kids and everything.
Why are you keeping it away from me? Because you took
It's
it.
enough for your
Kelsey, seriously, give it back.
It's mine.
No, it's not. This doesn't even feel like my slime anymore.
This is mine.
Don't lie, Kelsey. Kelsey, I know that's my slime. Why are you keeping it away from me? You wouldn't keep it away from me.
Because you're going to take it from me.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to feel it because it's my slime.
From camera, you can fight after this.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back.
Now.
Kelsey, it's my slime. That's what you did with the yellow slime. See? That's what you did with the yellow slime.
This is your slime.
This is not my slime. See, it's not even stretchy. Kelsey,
I picked up my slime from where my slime was.
I'm being serious. Kelsey, give me my slime back.
Eric, my slime is right here, and you put yours right there, so.
Kelsey, give me my slime.
No.
Why would you say no? Because you know it's my slime.
Mine.
No, it's not. Then let me feel the entire thing. I'm not going to take it.
I know you, Eric. I know.
No, I'm not. I promise. Yeah, you're not doing it
I'll
because...
let you have this one if you let me have the big one. The big one
What big one?
that we're going to make.
What? Kelsey, you are such a... It was my slime. Why do you have to take all my good slimes? Because you know yours isn't good. I'm not saying all of yours, but you know yours that you just made isn't that
Bye,
good.
guys. Thanks for watching.